Hello, myself Priyanshi. My teammates are Savaria and Chaitanya. Today we are going to perform an activity related to DC generator and DC motor. What is DC generator? A direct current DC generator is a rotating machine that supplies an electrical output with unidirectional voltage and current. The field is produced by direct current in field coils and by permanent magnet on the stator. The output or armature winding are placed in slots in the cylindrical iron rotor. A DC generator can be also used as a DC motor without changing its construction. Therefore, a DC motor, otherwise a DC generator, can be called a DC machine. We have mentioned a essential part of DC generator in a chart. North pole, south pole, rotation, flow of current. This part of DC generator. Now my teammate Chaitanya will explain how does DC generator work.
According to Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction, we know that when a current-carrying conductor is placed in a very magnetic field, an EMF is induced in the conductor. According to Fleming's right-hand rule, the direction of the induction changes when the direction of the motion of the conductor changes. Let us consider an armature rotating clockwise and a conductor at the left moving upwards. When the armature completes the half rotation, the direction of the motion of the conductor will be reversed downwards. Hence, the direction of current in every armature will be alternating. But with a split ring commutator connection of armature, conductor will reverse when a current reversal occurs. Therefore, we get unidirectional current at the terminals. Now, my teammate Savaria will explain the further activity on DC generator.
Before the activity, let's understand what is Fleming's right-hand rule. According to Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction, when a conductor moves through the magnetic field, an electric current is induced in it. Why we use Fleming's right-hand rule? So it is used to determine the direction of the motion of the induced current change. Fleming's right said that if we arrange our thumb, forefinger, middle finger of our right hand perpendicularly to each other, then the thumb points towards the direction of the motion of the conductor relative to the magnetic field. The forefinger points towards the direction of the magnetic field and the middle finger points towards the direction of the induced current. Now let's see the activity. The things required: CD, DC motor, LED bulb, wire, etc. On rotating the CD wheel, we see that the bulb start glowing. But how? We haven't provided any type of current to it. What was the reason for glowing of bulb? Actually, what happens here is that in motor there are two magnets, one of north pole, another of south pole. There are magnetic field line that travels from north to south pole. So when we rotate the motor in opposite direction, due to which the electricity is generated instant of consuming electricity. As the LED is connected to terminals, the electricity produced is consumed by the LED. So these are some principles that are used like thermal, nuclear power, etc. So we can conclude that DC generator and a DC motor works opposite of each other. Thank you.